Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm up in the kitchen, and this time we're doing a double video. It's kind of a review and a how-to. So as far as the review portion, what we're going to be reviewing is the BAM. This is the Kleen King stainless steel and copper cleaner for pots and pans. Now, you see what I'm dealing with. Now, this is a stainless steel pan that my father-in-law gave to me. I'm gonna say about 10 years ago. He works for Waterford Wedgwood, and apparently this is the brand of stainless steel that they sell through their store, through Waterford Wedgwood. The crystal people, the people who make the crystal ball that drops at Times Square. Those guys. So this is the real deal. This is all clad frying pan, and I've had it for at least 10 years, probably more. But it's had its share of cooks on it. But as you can see, I've been to battle with it, and no matter what I've tried, I haven't been able to get this clean. And lo and behold, someone suggested Barkeeper's Friend, and then many videos that I watch, I've seen some videos where people weren't able to get their pans clean with Barkeeper's Friend, and some videos where people were. So the way I look at it is that either it works or it doesn't. So the reason why I didn't get it is because there was enough videos of people who tried Barkeeper's Friend and they couldn't get it clean and had to use another product, enough for me to not buy it. But then I came across this. I don't know how long this product's been out, but I have some more stainless steel cookware, new ones that I bought that I happened to burn some food on there, and this cleaned it up like a gem. So I figured, you know what, I want to do a review on this, but I don't want to wait until I mess up my brand new cookware again. But then I remembered I had this way in the back of the cabinet that's just been sitting there, and I rarely use it, but I would like to. So here we go into the how-to portion. After I just go over this real quick, I'm gonna use it to clean up the pan. So let's get right into this. Kleen King, as I showed you before, removes tough stains and tarnish. This is a 14-ounce container. Here goes the directions on the back. Basically, it says it cleans and brightens stainless steel and copper pots and pans, stainless steel sinks, and car wheels. Okay. Basically, you wash the item and rinse it. Spray some Kleen King on a wet paper towel or a clean sponge, and clean gently and thoroughly. Rinse well and wipe dry immediately. Simple as that, right? Okay, so the way I used it to clean my other cookware, I basically just rinsed it out, sprinkled some on, and scrubbed it with a steel cleaning brush. So we're going to do that now. Henceforth, the how-to portion of the video. How to clean a tarnished, dirty, stained stainless steel pan with years of stains on it. So let's get into that. It's just a view here. So what I'm going to do, pull out my steel brush, rinse it out, rinse it off here a little bit. Ooh, look at that on the back. Ooh, if this works on this, I'm a believer. I'm a believer in this product if it works on this. So basically, I'm gonna try to get you a good view here so you can see. I'm gonna get me some gloves right quick. Yeah, I'm a full believer in protecting your hands using these, chemicals. You just never know what's in them. AKA Monsanto or whatever they're called. Not saying that this is a product, one of their products, but they control a lot of the world, so one never knows. And then you just sprinkle it on. I'm gonna try to touch all the spots that have the worst stains. Okay, so I sprinkled it on there, and and then I'm just gonna scrub. And so you don't have to watch me do the complete scrub. I'm gonna speed up the video. Literally 10 years worth of stain gone in 10 minutes worth of scrubbing. So imagine if I had something like this way back when. I would have never let it get this bad. There's still a little light staining there, but I'm sure with another application I can get that off easy, because if I was able to remove that much of a stain on the first application, I'm sure this is going to be no problem. Wow, I'm winded. That was a lot of heavy scrubbing. I was scrubbing. I'm just going to have to get some detailing stuff to try to get back there. But yeah, this is, I'm going to handle it all. This is the truth. This Kleen King is the truth. So I have to highly recommend this. I have to highly recommend this. This definitely works. It does what it says it does. It cleaned off a pan that was literally 10 years worth of staining on there from burning fried chicken, pan frying steaks, all of that stuff, you know. So if this can get off 10 years of stuff off my pan, I'm sure it can get off any amount of staining on any of your stainless steel. And it's not just limited to pots and pans. I can use this to clean out my stainless steel sink here. I have stainless steel stove and dishwasher and fridge. I can use it to do that too. So anything stainless steel, I'm sure this will work on just fine. So yeah, definitely cop that. I'll put the links in the description. And I'm Nez, and I'm up in the kitchen doing a review and how-to of the Kleen King stainless steel and copper cleaner for pots and pans. Definitely cop that. I can't say it enough. Links down in the description. And I'm out this piece.